Hello students, in this video let us discuss one named reaction, that is Fritsch reaction. Actually there was a question in 1997 IIT JEE examination, so on this Fritsch reaction actually. Okay, Fritsch reaction is this diphenyl halo compound. Okay, a diphenyl haloalkene on heating with strong base sodium amide or potassium tertiary butoxide or lithium diisopropyl amide. Okay, any strong base. Okay, this is the diaryl and haloalkene on heating with strong base, that is rearranges to diphenyl. Okay, diphenyl acetylene. Okay, diphenyl acetylene. So it is a Fritsch reaction. So actually how this reaction proceed, how the alkyne is generated. So here in this case, this reaction involves internally carbene formation. Okay, so here the carbene is a neutral reaction intermediate that has a 6 electrons. That means here 4 are the bonding electrons, 2 are the non-bonding electrons. So here in this case, first of all, by reaction with the base NaNH2, for suppose Na plus H minus, so on heating this NH2 minus remove the H plus. Okay, that means here this carbon gains 2 electrons, so double bond C, here pH 2 electrons with a negative charge actually. Okay, and next here this one furtherly loses Br minus. Okay, loses Br minus. So in this case the carbon carries a positive charge, so already there is a negative charge here, positive, that becomes a neutral actually. So that means here we will get the PHC double bond here, pH, this is the 2 electrons without any charge. This is actually carbene, actually carbene. But here in this case this carbene is electron deficient. Okay, that is electrophilic in nature. So here the adjacent phenyl group, okay, adjacent phenyl group is migrated towards electron deficient carbon. Okay, electron deficient carbon. So these are the 2 electrons, non-bonding electrons. Now here this phenyl is migrating with a pair of electrons. That means here pH minus migration to this electron deficient carbon. Now here this carbon becomes a electron deficient. Now this one carries a positive charge. Now these non-bonding electrons form a bond with the positively charged carbon. So here finally we get the alkyne. So here in this case actually with leaving of Br minus, the group which is in anti position, that is migrated towards this carbon. So here finally we will get the PHC triple bond C, here pH. So that is the product actually. The main step is this one. This is a rate determining step, and this is the slow step. The migration of the one phenyl group which is exactly opposite, which is exactly in transposition with the leaving group, that is a halogen. Okay, so in case here after leaving of the this Br minus we'll get the carbene. Okay, so here in this case by the migration of this phenyl, so here pH minus is migrating, this carbon carries a positive charge. Now here these are the non-bonding electrons, these non-bonding electrons form a this positively charged carbon, will get the that alkyne product. So here the main key step is this one, the leaving of the halogen and the migration of the aryl group which is in exactly opposite to the Br. Okay, this is a Fritsch reaction actually. So now here for suppose here in this case this is the CH3 C double bond, here this one is the phenyl C hydrogen, and this is the Br. Okay, so here in this case two are the different groups, so here for suppose it is a radioactive carbon, that means a C14 actually, radioactive carbon. So here in this case this one on heating with strong base, the group which is exactly opposite in position to the bromine, that is migrated. So here this is a Br, that means to the Br, here this group is migrated. So in this case we will get the this product double bond O, here CH3 and 14, that is the product actually. But here, for suppose I am starting this reaction with a different compound, so it is a phenyl ring. So here C, here Br, hydrogen. This is the radioactive carbon C14. Here in this case, the group which is exactly opposite to the bromine is a phenyl. So here phenyl is migrated to this one. So Br leaving. So here in this case, the product is different. For suppose here LDA heating, lithium diisopropyl amide. So double bond here C triple bond C here 14 and this is the phenyl ring. So that is the major product in this reaction. Okay. So here if you have, if it is a radioactive carbon, that means here there is the isotopic labeling. So in this case we have to transfer the group which is exactly opposite in to the halogen. Okay. Of course, if it is not a radioactive carbon, so here we can write the simply the product. Okay. But in this case here, when there is an isotopic isotope labeling, so we have to first um, migrate the alkyl group which is exactly trans to the bromine. Okay, so that is about the Fritsch reaction. It is a 1997 IIT advanced bit. Okay, thank you for watching.